Solomon's getting a bath.
Give him a bath every day?
No, not every day. But right now he's got pin feathers coming in. And he doesn't let me get all of them, so this helps loosen him to pops. But he gets really cute, so I try to get it on video. Look at that face. Woo, shake that tail feather. Don't go. Say I go poopy. Oh, does that feel good? Oh, yeah. Buffy wants some? Oh, look at the Buffy go. You want some more? Oh.
Well, they said 35. I think she weighs like 40.
Oh, look at you. Oh, yeah. Spread them pretty wings. Yeah. Spread that. Shake that tail feather. Oh, look how cute you are. Oh, you like your bath? Yep.
You know, most kids, but even little Chris,
We used